Here we have the Liberty garden hose holder. This thing's pretty nice. It's made out of metal. It's solid. It's got about 8 inches or so that you drive into the ground, and you can use that little stand coming off the bottom to stomp it into the ground with your foot. It's pretty easy to use, so easy a dog can do it. The reason I'm using this is because the walls of my porch here just have siding on them, and I'm unable to mount anything, and my hose is back there, and I'm unable to mount anything onto those walls. So I got this thing, and let's see how easy it is to install. Rigatoni, you gonna do it or you want me to do it? All right, I got it. So the ground's kind of wet. Here we go. Took a little effort to get it stomped into the ground. Obviously you want to make sure you don't have any utilities running underneath where you're going to put this thing into the ground. So you want to check on that. Well, let's hang up the hose. There you go. Beautiful wrap job. Looks good. Solid. And there we have it.